Good morning. This just in. Last night's general election result was a nail-biter to the end. Former San Francisco Mayor Gavin Newsom will be serving us as the new governor of California. Senator Dianne Feinstein's re-election bid was successful. Locally, Mayor Miguel Pulido remains Santa Ana's mayor. Lastly, congratulations to Santa Ana Unified School District Board's Valerie Amuesqua and John Palacio for your win. This has been our Hoover Headlines News Flash. We will be dropping our next episode on Friday afternoon, so watch out for it. My name is Zania, and remember, every vote counts.